Predicting Nvidia's stock future, a blend of insights for retail investors. Have you ever considered that the fate of Nvidia's stock might not rest solely in the hands of analysts, market trends, or macroeconomic factors, but rather in the predictions of psychics? As unconventional as it sounds, we're diving into the insights of 3 independent psychics who've made bold predictions about Nvidia. Whether you believe in intuition or lean towards hard data, this pragmatic analysis offers stock investment insights tailored to the retail investor. Grab a seat as we explore both mystical foresight and real-world analysis to help you make informed stock decisions. To begin, let's delve into each psychic's perspective on Nvidia. While these insights may seem far removed from traditional investment strategies, they provide an interesting way to weigh market uncertainties in a unique context. Our first psychic sees Nvidia's stock struggling to break past a ceiling of $135. Psychic 1 predict minimal rallies and foresee a high potential for short sellers. This projection places Nvidia's near-term top at $135, but significant risks lie ahead, with the price possibly declining to $95 on the lower end of the spectrum. For risk-tolerant retail investors with an eye on short-selling opportunities, this prediction suggests a strategy. Consider shorting Nvidia around $135 and potentially capitalizing on a bearish movement. However, this approach comes with inherent risks, especially if Nvidia outperforms these expectations. The second psychic aligns closely with the first, but takes a darker turn. They anticipate Nvidia peaking at $135 between February and March, only to suffer a sharp decline to $90, or perhaps as low as $80 by late May or early June. Even more alarming, they foresee potential legal issues facing the company. Lawsuits or regulatory challenges could shake the stock further, creating additional volatility. If you're a retail investor, consider this prediction a cautionary tale. Legal troubles can result in uncertainty, and whenever sentiment shifts, more volatility follows. The lesson here is to remain vigilant and keep an eye on potential red flags in Nvidia's legal and regulatory environment before making bold moves. Finally, our third psychic presents a more neutral perspective. Psychic 3 foresee modest short-term gains, pushing Nvidia slightly above its current price of $124, potentially to $130. However, this psychic struggles to determine how low Nvidia might fall afterward, emphasizing the stock's unpredictable nature throughout the year. What does this mean for investors? Volatility can be a friend or foe, depending on your approach. If Nvidia experiences swings between $95 and $130, swing traders might find opportunities by timing their entry and exit points carefully. For long-term retail investors, this indicates an uncertain path that warrants scrutiny. Now that the psychics have had their say, let's ground these forecasts in a pragmatic stock market analysis suited for retail investors. Stocks like Nvidia are influenced by a mix of technical, fundamental, and sentiment-driven factors that no crystal ball or complex algorithm can fully predict. Wall Street experts maintain a generally bullish outlook on Nvidia, citing robust demand driven by the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and advancements in semiconductor technology. Nvidia has positioned itself as a leader in the AI revolution, with products integral to training machine learning models. Bulls argue that this could drive sustained growth in revenue, potentially setting the stock price well above $150. For retail investors, this narrative is worth exploring. Nvidia's market leadership in AI and cloud computing positions it for long-term success, and continued innovation could result in earnings surprises every quarter. Takeaway for retail investors: monitor Nvidia's earnings reports and news about any partnerships with key AI-driven companies. Strong earnings and innovation can provide significant support to bullish predictions. Despite the optimism, bears issue a word of caution. Nvidia, like other growth stocks, is not immune to broader market corrections and regulatory risks. While demand remains strong, the semiconductor space is known for its cyclicality, which could lead to unexpected revenue drops. Legal issues, an aspect highlighted by Psychic 2, may not be entirely fictional. Companies operating in high-growth sectors often face antitrust scrutiny, especially as geopolitical conflicts impact international supply chains. Takeaway for retail investors: look for signs of weakening demand or shifts in regulatory pressure. If Nvidia's valuation becomes stretched beyond what fundamentals justify, its stock could be headed for a pullback. Based on the psychic predictions and market analysis, Nvidia's outlook depends largely on your investment style and risk tolerance. Here are a few key strategies to consider. If high volatility excites you, align with the psychic's short-selling strategies. With Nvidia potentially peaking at $130, $135, short positions could be lucrative during sharp downward trends. However, be aware of margin risks and monitor your exit levels closely. If you believe in Nvidia's role as a vital AI enabler, consider the stock a long-term play. Accumulate shares on significant dips, for example, if Nvidia declines toward $90, $95, while maintaining confidence in its innovation-driven growth trajectory. Can't decide which strategy to pursue? Hedge your bets. A mix of shares and options can provide exposure to Nvidia's potential upside while limiting downside risk. Retail investors may find value in protective puts or covered calls to manage uncertainty. So who holds the truth about Nvidia, psychics or analysts? While psychic predictions provide an entertaining lens to view market movements, it's crucial for retail investors to prioritize fundamental analysis, technical trends, and first-hand research. Nvidia's future, shaped by its AI dominance and the broader semiconductor space, presents both opportunities and risks. Whether you're drawn to short-term plays targeting Nvidia's volatility or committed to riding the long-term AI revolution, a balanced, data-driven perspective is your greatest tool. Do psychics have a role to play in your stock strategies? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for pragmatic and unique insights into market dynamics tailored just for you.